A very special property, executed to perfection. Nestled atop a commanding summit, 706 Summit Cove isn't just a house, it's a symphony of design, a testament to what happens when architectural genius meets unbridled imagination. Penned by the celebrated Guy Dreyer, this estate, once crowned Robb Report's Ultimate Home of the Year, is a breathtaking curvilinear marvel that seems to organically emerge from the very rock it perches upon. It's a one-of-a-kind wonder. Imagine walls of glass that simply vanish, inviting the desert's embrace indoors, or perhaps the playful whisper of mountain breezes as you gaze across oscillating pools reflecting the vast Coachella Valley below. This isn't just indoor-outdoor living, it's a seamless dance between built form and natural splendor. The home's serpentine walls and overlapping plains mirror the surrounding terrain, creating asymmetrical pavilions that are as intriguing as they are beautiful. The living room's focal point is a titanium-clad fireplace that practically demands awe, complemented by a ceiling of undulating wood panels that mimic gentle waves. But the true showstopper? A journey to the dining room through an aquarium tunnel. Flanked by tanks teeming with exotic fish, you'll find yourself eye to fin with a rare shark. Just try not to let it distract you from your creme brulee. The owner's suite is a private sanctuary, a resort within a resort, boasting panoramic views, a private outdoor spa, and a fireplace for those cooler desert evenings. And for your guests, a dedicated pavilion with 4 suites, kitchens, and lounges, because even your closest friends deserve their own slice of paradise. The private office, perched precariously on a rocky plateau, offers views that could inspire a poet. Or, failing that, at least help you finish your TPS reports with unparalleled vista. Constructed with timeless materials like panther slate from India, rich natural woods, and gleaming titanium, this 32,000 square foot masterpiece isn't just grand, it's meticulously crafted. With 7 bedrooms, 12 baths, and 6 kitchens, because who needs just one, it's a residence designed for both grand entertaining and intimate moments. This property has no equal. It's an architectural experience, a lifestyle statement, and frankly, a bit of a show-off, in the best possible way.